In a bustling port city, a legend passed from sailor to sailor. They spoke of a map, one that didn't lead to any ordinary treasure. This treasure wasn't gold or jewels. It was something more valuable. It was said that whoever found it would never have to fear storms or hunger again. They would hold the key to true freedom. But there was a catch. The map wasn't on paper. It wasn't carved into wood or painted on a canvas. It was hidden in numbers, scattered across the winds of the world. Most dismissed it as a myth, but not Marcus. Marcus was a young cartographer, fascinated by maps and codes. When he overheard an old sailor muttering about the map over his ale, Marcus couldn't resist asking, "Where can I find it?" The sailor chuckled, his weathered face lighting up. "Find it? Boy, the map finds you, if you're ready to see it." Intrigued, Marcus dove into his books, studying symbols and ancient scripts. Months turned into years, and finally, one stormy night, he stumbled upon a strange pattern in the stars. It wasn't a constellation. It was a series of coordinates, glowing faintly in his mind's eye. He followed the coordinates to a forgotten island. On its shores, there was no treasure chest, no glittering jewels. Instead, there was a single stone tablet with an inscription. "Value is no longer locked in vaults. It flows in a chain, unbroken and unstoppable. To claim the treasure, trust the chain, and become its keeper." Confused but captivated, Marcus pressed his hand to the tablet. In that instant, he understood. The treasure wasn't gold. It wasn't something he could hoard in a chest or bury in the sand. It was an idea, a network of trust, free from rulers and pirates. The map wasn't a myth. It was Bitcoin, the treasure of a new world. But Marcus also saw a warning. Only those who could see beyond greed would truly claim its power. He returned to the city, telling others of the chain and the treasure it held. Some laughed, some listened, and a few began their own journeys guided by the invisible map. The map is real. The treasure is waiting. The question is, will you be the one to see it?